Hi neighbors, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little while since we've done a Motivational Monday video, but I'm here to give you guys my 4-week update on my weight loss journey. I'm so grateful that you guys have tuned in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to comment, like, and share this video with your family and friends. And welcome to my block. Okay, so for those who have been following me and those who have not, I've been on the keto diet for the past 4 weeks now as of Monday the 14th. My starting weight was 202 and I will insert a photo of that. After week 1, I stepped on the scale at 197. And then after week 2, I stepped on the scale at 193. So after week 3, the week was a little hectic for us. We were out of town twice for a short time span during that week. So I didn't do the what I eat in a week video. And I think that because I eat so many repetitive meals, I may just start doing what I eat in a day or feature just new keto recipes instead of doing the whole week long and you guys are seeing the same meals over and over. But I hit a plateau. So after week 3, I was at that Monday morning, I stepped on the scale at 190.8. I get on the scale every morning. The next day, I actually stepped on the scale at 192. And throughout the week, I teetered. Now this is week 3. This is the end of week 3. I stepped on at 190.8, coming up to week 4, which was Monday the 14th. I teetered back and forth, going from 190.8 at the start of the week all the way up to 193, back down to 191, up to 192, and honestly I started freaking out. I'm like, okay, what am I doing wrong? I need to take a second, step back, and evaluate. And through the whole week I could not break that 190. So what I did was I looked at my first 2 weeks when I saw progress, and I compared it to the week where I hit a plateau and was having trouble losing weight. So I realized that I stopped tracking my food. I kind of started eating more intuitively because I was eating the same meals, but there were times where I wasn't eating one of my regular meals and I didn't track it. So I'm assuming that probably led to some of the plateauing. Also, my water intake wasn't that great. And I started trying all these new keto desserts, like the Duncan Hines keto mug cups. I will insert a picture of the one that I have left. I've already made 2 of them, and I actually combined the 2 and put it in a little baking dish, and I baked it in the oven instead of the microwave. And that was the biggest spike in my weight, and I know it was probably just water weight retention, but because my body held on to that water weight, 2 pounds of water weight within a few hours, because I ate the cake at night and then weighed first thing in the morning. It was the last thing I ate. I knew my body didn't agree with it, so I tossed those. For me personally, you can try them. I'm not going to eat the Duncan Hines keto mug cakes. Hate me, I'm sorry, but my body just didn't agree with it. So I went back to tracking my macros. I was inputting my food the day before that I was going to eat the next day. That way there was no room for error, and I could know exactly what I was going to consume. So long story short, we have a breakthrough, and I got on the scale and I finally broke the 190, into the 180s. I stepped on a scale at 189, I think 0.4. I'm gonna actually get on a scale again in the morning. Right now it's Monday night, and I will insert a picture of what my current weight is. So yes, if you guys are having any issues where you're hitting a plateau, just because your weight may fluctuate for a few days does not mean that the diet isn't working for you. It may just mean that you need to figure out what has changed since you've stopped seeing progress. Also, you could probably give yourself more than a week. As I said, at the end of week 3, I stepped on a scale at 190.8. At the end of week 4, we're at 189 point something. So it was only a pound loss, but I'm happy that I'm seeing progress, period. 1 pound in a week, I'll take it. It's better 1 pound down than 1 pound up, I guess. But yes, so I just wanted to update you guys on that. So for a grand total at the end of week, after 4 weeks on the keto diet so far, I am down just over 12 pounds, maybe 13 pounds. I don't know what the decimal is. I have to go back and look at the photos, but 13 pounds in just under a month. I'm going by 4 weeks as a month, just to keep it consistent, since some months have 30, some months have 31 days. But yes, celebrate. So I'm super happy. I haven't seen, my baby will be 2 next month. I haven't seen the 180 since I was like 5 months pregnant. Just to remind you guys, I started my pre-pregnancy weight and my goal weight was 172 pounds. So that's what I'm aiming for. And to be in the 180s, and yes, I'm in the 180s, even if it's 189.9999, okay? So yes, that's my weight loss update. I also have 2 more things to share with you guys. I recently got a new job. So those who know me already know this, and those who don't, I was laid off due to the whole COVID-19 thing. But the way the Lord works, I already had another plan in motion. And I come from a background of HR, and I wanted to transition into mortgages. So, okay, your girl is officially a mortgage loan originator. I took the time, I took the classes, I studied, I got my license, I interviewed for them jobs, I got the job, you know, and I'm ready for this new career, this new path, this new lifestyle. So that's another little thing that's been going on with me and why I've kind of been a little distant. I'm trying to get everything situated with, even though I'm working from home, I want to look presentable. I don't want to just sit, get up, log on, and be in my pajamas, because I'm not. If I feel like that, that's the type of work I'm going to give out. So I've been trying to buy some clothes that are not only comfortable to sit, at home in, but are presentable to put on for work. So those are a few things. Maybe I'll do like a little lookbook of what I wear while working from home. And also, my baby is going to daycare for the first time, so I've been dealing with that as well, getting her ready for daycare, ordering her stuff, and touring, and it's been pretty hectic, but we are satisfied with the daycare that we have chosen. And she'll be starting daycare very soon. She's going to school. That's what we're gonna call it. She's going to school. And just to piggyback off of the whole, looking the part, I don't know about you, but for me to secure the bag, I gotta look like the bag. You feel me? I bought a wig, y'all. I've never owned like actual lace closure pre-made wig. Like, of course you make your own little U parts and stuff like that, but I ordered from Dare to Have Hair. I ordered their 5x5 20-inch lace closure wig in Body Wave. So I was a little scared that the shipping was gonna take super long because I ordered it, let's say Labor Day was Monday. I think I ordered it the Thursday before Labor Day, and I just got it on the 14th. So it was less than 2 weeks. They did post saying that if you order during the sale that the processing time may be a little bit longer. But let's get into this hair. I'm not a hair reviewer, you know. I'm just gonna go through. I've worn weaves for a long time, so I'm just go through like the little things that I know stand out to me. So I will say the lace for one. First off, it's probably gonna have to get tinted. I don't do that. I booked an appointment to get this installed, so I'm gonna get it installed glueless. Cause sis, I'm gonna put this thing on in the morning, take it off when I gotta go to the gym, take it off when I go to sleep. You know, like, I need to be able to, because I'm gonna be working out, my hair is gonna be sweating, I need to be able to take my braids out at least once every other week and then get it braided back down. So, but yeah, let's get into this hair. So, as you can see, the body wave texture. Now, my first impressions when I took it out of the bag was 20 inches weird. But of course, it being a body wave, once you stretch it out, I could kind of see it being 20 inches. And the cap size, it has adjustable straps. That was another thing that I was a little skeptical about. I wasn't sure if the cap was gonna fit my head, but it does have adjustable straps. Hold on. Oh, okay, so I guess the straps hooked to each other, because I was looking, you know how you got the little loop on your belt, on your bra? That's what I was looking for on here, but I guess this is my first wig, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get to it, but you know, the hair feels good. It don't have that, it has that weave smell, but it don't have that like fishy, corn chip, like chemical like smell. It smell like they probably put something on this. Like, kind of smell like perfume. A little bit. But anyway, I probably shouldn't be smelling this wig until I wash it. COVID all over this thing. But yeah, so I'm gonna get a little bust down. Comment below if you know what a bust down is. Okay, sis? Comment below. Leave a flame emoji if you know what a bust down is. Okay? So, we're gonna bust that thing down in the middle. Nice little middle part. And I'm gonna probably get some layers. I want it to look real natural. Now, back when I was wearing weaves real heavy, I used to wear minimum 5 bundles in my hair, plus a closure. I used to work for a hair company a long time ago. Yeah. So, you know, me being able to get hair wasn't an issue. I might have to add a bundle to this, for the simple fact that I don't have the thickest hair, but I have the biggest head. So I need my hair to head ratio to match. Okay, so we're gonna have to add a bundle to this. I have some hair from another company that's Body Wave that I'm gonna just have sis, if I can have her go ahead and add that little track up in here. You know what, these tracks that's on this wig are thin. I ain't gonna lie. I'm used to like tracks being double wefted, and these ain't it. Now it is 150 density, but I'm just like, you go 130, 150, 180, like damn. But whatever. That's probably just me. Once I get it on, we'll see. But yeah. So that's her. Y'all gotta help me name her. Oh my God. So, if y'all see me get on here acting brand new, I'm sorry. It is what it is, okay? I might come out here with a whole new name and everything else, okay? Y'all gotta help me come up with some names. Maybe I'll do a little poll on my Instagram. Make sure you guys follow me, Binnyfromtheblock on Instagram. And I think on Facebook, I'm not sure, but I'll put them in the description box and you'll see it on the screen. But yeah, y'all, Dare to Have Hair, 20-inch 5x5 body wave closure, lace wig. Okay. But yeah, let me go ahead and toss that on over there. Oh, hold on, let me see. About 2 or 3 hairs on the floor, so shedding not that bad, I will say that, because you know some hair companies the floor would have been a damn chia pet. But anyway, I am thankful for you guys for watching my video. I'm glad we were able to catch up. Make sure you guys stay connected with me. Hit me up on social media. Drop something in the comments below. Make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, and share it with your family and friends. And again, welcome to my block.